Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to mount your cabinets hardware. So how can you install your cabinet hardware? So this is my cabinet hardware. As you can see, it's a cup type concealed hinge. So this one needs a hole here, and the easiest ways to drill it is with a jig. So let's go ahead and drill. It's fairly simple. All you need is two clamp and the jig and a driller. And if you want to uh, drill the holes for the hardware, the screw holes, there is a measurement here itself. You can do that. It perfectly fits for my Blum hardware. Okay, this one is fairly simple. It has only two adjustments here. This is to mention how much thickness material you have to leave at the end. So once your hardware goes inside, how much material stays in with the drawer, that's in with the door. So that's what this adjustment says. And this one is just where you want to place your hole. So if you want a 4-inch, you can keep it max towards the end. This is 4 and this is 3 and this is 2. So that's all. There's only two adjustments. So now let's go ahead and mount this. It's fairly simple. Now I want 4.5. This is 4. So 4.5, I don't have a measurement in this jig, so I'll keep a 1/2 inch plywood here. Now I get 4.5. Right, so hold it tight, then take your clamp and clamp it. Right, it's better to use two clamps. Make sure at the bottom it's all flush with the door. Make sure your measurements are all right. 4.5 is looks good. And this is the one goes on the top. This is the drill bit. Lock that. Take your driller. Okay, lock your driller. Now it is all ready to drill. That's it. So now, as I said, this collar has the adjustment for 1/2 inch depth. So I went 1/2 inch plus a point. Okay, do not remove this clamp end, because you can see there are two holes here where you can drill to mount your hardware. So now you can remove it. Okay, now let's take the hardware and put it here. Now you can see it is exactly at where I want. So, and it is flush. So it has to be flush like this. It has a nice snug fit. It is not too loose or too tight. It has a nice snug fit. So you can see here I did set to option 3, which gives me 1/8 inch thickness at the end. So that's all that settings does. Okay, so to mount the hardware, your hardware, for me specifically, or most of the hardware doesn't has a side direction left or right. So you just need to place your hardware, and even though the jig gave you the mounting screws position, I would say take a piece of straight wood or something you have which is straight, and keep it flush with your hardware like this. Keep it flush with this flat surface of your hardware. Okay, and I can see the holes are perfectly centered in that way. So that way I can confirm whatever the jig gave me, that position is really good. See that, right? There is a shadow, but if I see, it is center. Do not use an impact. You can hand tight it, or you can use like a small for 12 volt which has less power, and put it in the lowest setting and mount your hardware. So now we know it is straight. So that's how you install your hinges to your cabinet door. um, I'll make a separate video how to install this to your cabinets. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you like more contents like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.